Now students, concerned topic is again dissolution of a partnership fund, and the question which I am solving from the T.S. Gilawal book prescribed by the school. Now come, I have taken first two questions which I have solved, that is concerned about the journal entries at the time of dissolution regarding the payment of assets, payment of liabilities, realize the assets and commissions, etc. Now this question I have taken, question number 24. Under this question, journal entries no need to ask. It has been asked here at the time of dissolution of the partnership firm. You are required to prepare the realization account. You are required to prepare the partner's capital account. And also here in the case of dissolution of partnership firm, we have to prepare the balance sheet, not the we prepare the bank account, not the balance sheet. Because in the case of dissolution of partnership firm, earlier which we have saw, which is concerned about the dissolution of partnership, okay, but it is concerned the dissolution of partnership firm. Under the dissolution of partnership firm is totally dissolved, further not carried out. That's why here no need to prepare the balance sheet. Here you have to prepare the bank account at the end after making all the payments. Clear? Now first of all we have to prepare in this question realization account. Under the realization account, all the book value of assets and liabilities we have to transfer the realization account. Now here we have transferred stock, debtors, furniture, plant and investment. We have to transfer the book value which is given in the balance sheet. Book value of assets transferred to realization account. For this purpose entry we have to pass realization account debit to sundry assets on name of the individual assets. That's why all assets will be here. Posting in the debit side of the realization, because firm has dissolved, assets having the debit balance. If we are going to credit, it means account of the assets will be closed automatically. That's why relation to sundry assets and all assets will be debited. Here after this we have to pass all the liabilities, external liabilities in the credit side of the relation. Here only two external liabilities, creditors and loan of Mrs. A. So creditors we have passed and loan of Mrs. A we have passed. Be careful here. Here partner's loan will have to make the payment after making payment the external liabilities. That's why partner's loan never transferred to the realization account. Second thing, partner's relatives, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, wife, all are treated as an outsider, just like the creditors. So if the firm has taken the loan from partner's relative, they must be treated as a creditors and transferred here under the relation account. Here, for example, age, Mrs. Age loan. Age is the partner of the firm, clear? So now Mrs. is the wife of A, very simple. So Mrs. is the life partner of the A, understood, not the business partner, okay. So life partner and business partner both are the different things here. That's why relatives loans must be treated as an outsiders and we have to transfer here, Mrs. A's loan account, clear. Later, all the liabilities we have to debit it, creditors debit, Mrs. A's loan debit to realization, all liabilities having the credit balance. At the time of passing the journal of opening the realization account, it is credited, ultimately it is closed. That's why all assets transferred to debit side of the realization account and all liabilities transferred to the credit side of the realization account. Later, we have to sell all these assets and pay off all the liabilities. Or if any amount left, that will be treated as a profit or loss, whatever as per situation. Now see here, A took over the investment 8,000, A's capital account debit to realization account investment taking for 8,000, write down 8,000. He also agreed to settle loan by Mrs. A. Now it means he has taken the Mrs. A loan also, so A's capital account debit 10,000 because Mrs. A's loan is the 10,000. Understood this fact? After this now, other assets are realized as follows. Write down. Assets realized: stock 5,000, debtors 18,500, furniture 4,500, plant 25,000. All the realized value of the assets we have to record like this and add, we are getting 53,000. Entry we have to pass bank to realization. If assets are selling and getting the cash, then bank to realization. And if partner is taking out, then partner's capital to realization. Understood? Later we have to pay the liabilities. Creditors 38,000, but question is telling creditors agreed to accept 37,000 in full settlement to bank account. Understood here? Creditors 37,000. And after this now, realization expenses taken over 1,600, so 38,600. We have done all these items as per the balance sheet and adjustments. Later we have to see which side is more. We are seeing debit side of realization is more. It is coming 1,15,600. Write down 1,15,600. And now we are getting the realization loss. It will be created among all partners, just like the admission retirements, as per the prescribed profit sharing ratio 3:2. So A is entitled to get 3/5 and B is entitled to get 2/5 of this loss. After completion of realization account, second ledger we are required to prepare the balance, the partner's capital account. Now see the partner's capital balance. Simply it has been given here. A's capital 10,000, B's capital 8,000. Write down balance BD 18,000 and B 8,000. After this now reserve has given 5,000 distributed. Part of profit, accumulated profit and loss must be distributed among all partners in their own prescribed profit sharing ratio. So now 3:2, so 3,000 and 2,000 distribution. After this now, here A is ready to take over Mrs. A's loan 10,000, so A's capital is created. And A also ready to take over the investment for 8,000, that's why A's capital will be debited by 8,000. He is taking investment, not making the payment, that's why his capital is created. And he is taking the liability, that's why his capital is increased. Okay. After this now, there is no any other item which will come here. Yes, it is given here in the asset side profit and loss, accumulated loss distribution in the 3:2 A or B. After this realization account, realization loss is coming. Understood or not? How much? 6,600. Now 3,960 and 2,640. And now this side is more. C, credit is more. Now add all the items. B total 10,000 and S total 23,000. And it means credit is more, debit is, so partners are entitled to get at the time of resolution after making all the payment of liabilities, all settlement of the external liabilities. Understood? So A is entitled to get 6,540. A is to be paid and B is to be paid 4,360. Later we have to prepare the bank account. Here debit and credit. Understood or not? And we are required to prepare the bank account. Now see, earlier bank balance has given 11,500. Write down 11,500. Bank account just like the cash book of the bank column. Understood or not? All receipts we have to record this side, and all payments we have to record right hand side, credit side. Now see, after selling the assets, we are getting how much cash? 53,000. I have noted down to realization account 53,000. And here we are making the payment to A and B. So here I have noted down my A's capital 6,540 and B is entitled to 4,360 I have noted down by H capital by H capital. Cash is going out, we are making the payment, firm is making the payment. Now, here we have already paid to the creditors and on the behalf of relation expenses total 38,600 by relation account 38,600. And after making all the payments of the external liabilities, now partners loan is given 15,000. So we have to make the payment partners loan by B's capital account 50,000. Later we have to see we are getting the equal bank account. If we are getting the equal bank balance, it means we have posted and done sum is correctly. If any differences are coming, it means we have made a mistake. But here we are saying we are getting the balance equal, so bank account equal. Now see, this is the relation account, this is the partners capital account, or this is the bank account. In the similar questions, simplistic way, here relation, then partners capital account, then bank account you are required to be prepared. This question I have taken because here very all the assets we have to transfer at first, or the liabilities we have to transfer. Clear? Serialize the assets. Assets are taken over by the partner, liabilities are making the payment, and after this we are getting the relation account, prepare the partners account just on the basis of admission retirement dates. Under previously we have prepared write down the opening balance of partners capital, accumulated profit or loss created, clear, and here if partners are taking over the liabilities, so its capital will be increasing. Here profit and loss account loss, accumulated loss. Here relation account loss per earned, understood or not? And here assets are taking over gain, that's why it is credited. Our capital is decreased. Now A is entitled to get this amount, B is entitled to get this amount. After this, prepare the bank account. All receipts left hand side, all payments made in right hand side, which we have learned already in lesson 11th. And we have done like this and getting the equal. This is the solutions. Understood or not? Very simple. See it.